Come test drive the 2022. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, remote trunk release. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.